Well, Safaricom Limited, through its CEO Bob Collymore, has responded to NASA's allegations, deeming it factually incorrect and unsupported by any evidence whatsoever that Safaricom was informed that some 100 KIEMS kits were stolen from the IEBC.
In a statement sent out this evening, Collymore clarified Safaricom's role in the past general election as being mandated to merely transmit the results from the KIEMS kits to the IEBC servers.
He wrote that contrary to what is alleged in the NASA statement, results from the KIEMS kits in Safaricom zones were transmitted to the servers in accordance with the contract with the IEBC, and that the results are on the IEBC web portal. And he denied any wrongdoing by Safaricom.
Collymore has termed NASA's statement as reckless and unnecessary and said that Safaricom is ready to face any investigations or private prosecutions on the matter.